Hello everyone. I can't speak. Oh my god. I'm doing my intro. Hello everyone. I'm going to be... Okay, Ola's washing is very loud, but I'm going to be doing a video where I show you guys a behind the scenes of how I film my YouTube videos. It's a prank. I'm going to be pranking my flatmates. She just left. So we will be seeing if my friends tell me that my makeup looks trash or if they let me go on YouTube looking like a clown. True test of loyalty is about to be seen today. I can't be loud because I think they can hear me, so we'll see. You'll see when I'm doing my makeup. I'll do it with you. You're in on this too. You're in on this too. You're just as bad as I am. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Normally I use Fawn. Next, I'm going to blend it in, but not too much. Yeah, that'll do. Now I'm gonna conceal with this and oh my goodness. Wow. I'm leaving it. Added some foundation and now I'm just adding a little bit more concealer. That'll do. Now I'll do eyebrows. I should do square ones. And this is usually how I do it. Just with a little oomph. A little ooh. Very nice. Very, very nice set of brows I got there. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Just to add a little bit of bedazzle. Take that off. Uh-oh. Can't take it off. Whoops. Today I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gloss as well, just to match like the theme of the makeup. So I've gone with red because it suits my jumper very nicely. Alright, so it is 2 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go downstairs. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock now. So let's add a bit of highlighter. Yep, just a little bit where the sun would hit. Look at my highlighter, please. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is really bad. Whoa. If they don't tell me they're fake. That is my makeup for today. My friends are downstairs, so I'm going to go down now. And we're gonna get filming. Uh-oh. So, We're downstairs now. Hiya, Hans. This is us downstairs. Are you eating?
What?
I'm gonna eat. Julia. Oh.
She had a home sauce pan account. Sorry, Julia. Sorry.
Julia, we're baiting you out. I'll be asking these two. It's a bit noisy, as per usual.
Well. Let me shit this side. Look, your camera angle is on weird. Who does this? You thought you were a YouTuber then? Get behind the scenes. How bad you are.
Hello and welcome.
Popular.
Hair up or hair down? Should I put my hair back up in one?
I like it. Pardon?
Or like this?
I like your hair like that.
Thanks, girls.
Hi, chickens.
Alright. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. So today I'm going to be joined with my friends. We're going to be filming a Who Knows Me Best video, and we're going to see which one of these two are snakes. So, enjoy.
Both of us.
Who's ready?
Lovely.
Alright.
Do I look at the top or the bottom? I look
Anywhere,
at the top.
to be honest.
I look at the top.
So do I. I just really love seeing myself.
Do
Alright.
we need buzzers or what? Or is it just...
First person to tap.
Oh god.
Okay. Yeah, first person to tap. And yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So, what is
shaking? I'm scared.
what is my favorite colour?
Oh, that's it.
Ola.
Ah, mint green. A little bit darker than mint green. Maybe like this colour?
No. But
Mint
yeah,
green,
that's
pastel.
it. It's basically that.
Pastel,
Pastel, yes.
mint green.
Alright.
Ew.
1 point to Ola.
Down.
Oh yeah.
That's what I do.
I'm
my
not
memory.
snake. Alright. I'll write down who got which question right.
Okay.
Next question.
Okay.
What is my birth month?
April! I'm
Hey.
so slow! These are the questions I know, man.
Alright.
I know your birthday.
Hey!
Why
I'm
are you
so
so
good
rude? Pressing it, man?
All it is that.
I'll do it! And then she just does it faster. It's actually annoying. Sorry. I'm like, slow down, Ola.
She's clearly delayed.
Look, on to the next question.
Alright.
Yeah.
Next question. All the marks go to Ola at the moment, and Rose is just at 0. So next question is, name one quality that I look for in a friend. Rose.
They have to be kind.
Yeah. So like kind, funny,
Trustworthy.
you know,
No point.
trustworthy, honest, yeah, respectful.
Yeah. Was it a door? I thought that was a door.
Alright, so now we're just waiting for Ola to come back. The next question is, why did you think it was okay for me to come on YouTube looking like this?
What?
You
Looking
wake up
like what?
Guys, can you not see my makeup?
Where?
Let's
see.
Do you like this?
I like it. I like it. You're glowing.
But wait. This eyebrow is going on.
What? Let me see.
I'm not seeing it.
What's wrong with me?
When you walked in, I was like, she's wearing more makeup, but okay. But then now I see your highlight. It's like you went to the highlighter.
I don't see anything wrong.
It's just heavy-handed.
Yeah, just a little bit. A lot of highlight.
said she likes honest friends, so
So you guys like my makeup?
it's not for me. I wouldn't do it personally.
You don't like it?
It's cute.
Okay.
It's cute.
Alright, so it was a prank to see if you guys would tell me that you
Wow.
didn't like my makeup. So basically,
I got that point.
Rose got that point. Ola said it's nice. Ola said it's alright.
It's alright.
Yeah. So
No, but the thing is, it isn't that bad. Like if you
No.
came in, if you came in and you had, you know how people do like contour and then just do the chunk. If you had a
I
chunk,
was doing that,
it looks blended though. It doesn't look like a proper
but
like.
it went down
chunk.
here.
No, I can't see it.
Well, that's it, guys.
End of the video.
Yep.
What? I got 2 points.
Yeah, that's it.
Was that 10 questions?
Guys, the video was me seeing if you guys would tell me that my makeup looks trash.
So this whole time, you were telling us, I want to do questions, and the owner said, I don't want to do that. I think you're making pressuring us. Wow. What? The whole thing was a prank.
Yeah, the whole thing was a prank.
You should have done your
I've
best to
been
make it
planning
work.
this for weeks. What do you mean a bit worse? It would have been too big.
Yeah, you could have
No,
made
it's
it
not
a
bad.
lot worse.
You know what,
That
guys?
looks good though. From a distance, it looks good. I told you that. I said when I looked at you up close, I see the highlighter is just too. You said I want to glow, I want to shine bright. Like that.
What about this? And it's on Ola's side. Ola goes, it looks alright. You guys are fake. You really looked at that and said,
Look at her eyebrow. That's what I said. I said it comes out and it goes whoop, and it goes whoop.
alright, well that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for coming on my channel and taking part in this video.
Have you got
That's
10
it.
questions?
No.
Now we want the questions.
I was winning. I want the question.
We studied for this. We revised for this. We analysed you for this.
Good.
I literally learnt your birthday for this.
This morning I checked my calendar. April what?
You've really just seen the fakeness all round. It's really just all round. Wow. Anyways.
Bye.
So that is
Bye,
it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy it, despite whatever. I don't even understand. I think we're all a little bit confused. But I hope you understood. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to check out Rose's YouTube channel, you can do that in the description, and both their Instagrams will be in the description as well. Thank you, Rose and Ola, for joining me today, and that is it. Bye!
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, that too. Thanks.
Bye.
Boom.
As if what? There's a whole prank, man.
I can't believe that.
I was gonna
Bit
say,
of
I've
a
never
fail.
seen you wear that lipstick. Was it lipstick?
Yes.
Never seen you wear that before.
Yeah, it was a bit of a fail though. You could have made it a lot worse.
No. I didn't find it a fail. I saw you guys looking at me.
When? It's her side. It's her side. That's worse. She goes, it's alright.
It's alright. It's the eyebrow thing.
No,
I literally
I
have.
actually can't wait for this video because when you go in, I can remember looking at you were singing.
I know. I filmed the whole thing of you guys. I saw you guys looking at me, and I couldn't stop laughing.
You're filming
Behind the
the
scenes.
scenes.
Yes.
Ah.
Bye.